I had been at a super nice resort in Mexico, but my time had come to an end, so I was about to leave and head out to another city again. Hello and welcome to another video. I'm still here in Playa Del Carmen in Mexico in this hotel room, and I woke up again from the monkeys outside, so I'm gonna show you the monkeys again and then I will be heading out. The monkeys had been sitting outside the hotel room every morning since I got there, and they were hungry for fruit. It was interesting to see their movements and behavior. Now I had noticed that they even use their tail as a fifth hand to grab onto things. It's easy to see why monkey species survived throughout history, because they were such good climbers and no predators could catch them and eat them. Could you hear the sounds? I think the monkeys are satisfied now. They did get some fruit from some people over there. I had been traveling around Mexico for the past 6 months, but now I wasn't sure where I would go next. I came in to enjoy the breakfast buffet one last time. Here again, having breakfast, and then I will be leaving from this resort, unfortunately. But I've had a really good time here, and we'll see where I end up today. I finished the breakfast and decided to go down one last time and swim in the crystal clear water of the Caribbean Sea. This was the last dip in the sea. Now we have to head out. The swimming pool was also very inviting, so I jumped in and then went to pack my bag. Bag is packed, let's go. I have just a bag that weighs 20 pounds, which is about 10 kilos, with all my belongings. I'm gonna take a taxi now and then into the bus station and take the bus back to Cancun and go somewhere. I had a hotel room in Cancun that I was going back to, but I wouldn't stay there for long. Yes, Cancun.
But what kind of place you
I had been in Mexico for a while, but just in the Yucatan Peninsula the whole time. It's the nicest part, open to the Caribbean Sea. I was on my way back up along the coast from Playa del Carmen into Cancun. Then I would decide what to do. I came back to the ADO bus terminal here in Cancun. So now we're gonna go to the next place. I was back in the downtown area of Cancun, a bit out from the sea, in a big house where I had previously lived. I came back actually to this hotel that I paid for until the end of September, but I think I'm gonna go tomorrow actually to a different place. But it's really nice here also. I liked my time here. It was really nice with the swimming pool out here. But I'm gonna go to a better place tomorrow. My friends moved from here to the other place. Same type of hotel, but it's just down the road, so I'm gonna go over there. It was nice actually to be here. I'm gonna even go over to the west coast at some point, but I'm also gonna stay in the hotel zone again in this really nice place for a bit longer and then go over to the west side of Mexico. Now I'm on my way to this other rooftop pool where my friends that live over here now moved to. I came up to the top of the building, and of course it was time for a quick trick by the pool. Just did some nice pool tricks, and I met some friends that stay here. Hello! This had a good overview of the downtown area of Cancun and the big town of almost 1 million people. Many people say that Cancun is dangerous outside of the hotel zone area, but I have not seen anything suspicious during my time here. It's actually much more modern than many other towns I've seen in Mexico. It's a perfect day here at the rooftop pool, and now we're gonna jump in again and then head back. I'm heading back to stay one night here, and then tomorrow I will be going to a nice place. Very nice. It will be the last time that I'm sleeping in here. Hello! Good morning, good morning, good morning. So before we go to the new place that I was talking about last night, I want to show you one last part of Cancun, actually, here downtown, or it's called Puerto Cancun. Really nice place, so let's go check that out first. It's actually such a nice place with the pool here right outside the window. I had met some cool people from around the world in this house, but when you travel around and meet other travelers, most people move away again quickly to new places or countries. Now I'm coming into an area here called Puerto Cancun, and it's a really nice area. Here is this huge shopping mall. So many stores, but almost no people, and you have such a nice harbor here. Look. Cancun, I think, is growing like never before. I can see at least 10 buildings that are under construction right now. Here, a couple of buildings. Over there, they're just building buildings everywhere here. Cool area here. It looks like maybe 10 years from now it can be like Dubai almost. Same kind of vibe, I think, with all the luxury boats, a bunch of luxury apartments just outside of the hotel zone and in between the downtown area and the hotel zone of Cancun. I walked back to take my bag and move to another place. The bag is packed once again, so it's time to head out. And I bought a new shirt at Puerto Cancun. I can't even close the bag in 1 month or so. I accumulated so much shit. I don't get it. How do we always have too much shit in life? I need to throw actually a lot of things away. I had more stuff now, but had thrown away some belongings. My sombrero, however, would come with me. I'm on my way into the hotel zone where I'm gonna be staying again. It's really nice in Cancun, actually. I think this might be a place where I could see myself maybe not living, but having a house of some kind by the beach, of course, for like 6 months of the year. But then maybe I will end up living in Sweden after all. I don't know. I was on the way again to the bus stop with my bag. It's nice when something new happens and when the pace is fast. I'm afraid to look back on my life when I'm old to realize that I didn't do much. So now I will try to do as much as possible and go to many places. I was coming into the hotel zone again, and now you will get an overview of what it all looks like. The road goes right next to the beach, and there's all I just got off the bus here at the end of the hotel zone, or close to the end. So now I'm gonna go into this resort. I came into this really nice apartment here on top of a building in the middle of Cancun. There's a huge living room and really nice kitchen, a couple of bedrooms and an incredible view. It's so nice here. In the next video I'm gonna show you a detailed version of this place. Super nice. It's right by the ocean, some really big swimming pools here and incredible water. Now we're gonna go upstairs and you will see the rooms up there. Here we have one of the bedrooms. Really nice view. Here's the other one. Really nice shower here. It's really nice to be here actually. Such a nice place. Very nice. In the next video I'm gonna show you this whole place. I only showed you a small part of the apartment, but I'm gonna show you everything. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It was really amazing to be in such a nice place, but sometimes I ask myself how long I will keep traveling around for. Life is always more interesting when we travel around. Otherwise, most things are just the same, day after day, and it gets boring eventually. This apartment I stayed in is by Tim's Ocean Condos that you can check out more in the description of my video. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.